Hello, and welcome to the 12th Annual Copyright Conference at Ball University. Today's keynote speaker is Dr. Donna Ferrello. Dr. Ferrello is the director of the University Copyright Office at Purdue University and is also Associate Professor of Library Science. Dr. Ferrello advises the university on copyright compliance issues and is responsible for educating the Purdue University community on their rights and responsibilities under the copyright law. Dr. Ferrello has recently published a book entitled Managing Copyright in Higher Education, a guidebook. She also has published articles on copyright and its impact on higher education and libraries. She has given presentations for the American Library Association, the Association of College and Research Libraries, and many other groups in higher education and libraries. This presentation will be about how in today's technological world it has become possible for students to produce and distribute media-rich content in both the online world and academic life. It has become very easy to use this content since the online world is filled with a plethora of information. It is easy for students to research a particular topic and use the material for their personal use. However, are students using the copyright correctly? We have all seen this symbol, but what does it actually mean? It means the owner of the original work has exclusive rights to make copies, licenses, and otherwise exploit a literary, musical, artistic work, whether printed, audio, and video. Many people see copyright law as a set of restrictions designed to prevent them from getting access to resources they need for teaching, research, and creative productive work. That's not at all true. The original intent of copyright law was to protect individuals' intellectual property and to encourage creative output. When an individual creates something, a book, film, piece of art, song, the creator should have the sole right to profit from that creation. Copyright law provides the protection that allows creators to profit from their work. According to Rodriguez, Greer, and Shipman, students need to be educated on copyright regulation in order to assure the online publication is being used properly for academic purposes. There is an increased need to educate students on copyright issues due to students discovering, repurposing, and sharing information on a daily basis. Creating a copyright education course for them would educate students on complying with copyright laws and the proper use of online media. Students need to be educated on the proper use of using the information available online. According to Rodriguez, Greer, and Shipman, strong advocates for copyright education argue that integrating learning opportunities in the classroom is the most effective method for connecting students with material. Students need to consider the ethical use of other people's hard work and creations by obtaining permission. Students in all fields of academia create some form of original work that would benefit from understanding the copyright basics. Students need to know how to register a copyright, license it, infringements, and contracts. Providing students with this valuable information will give the satisfaction that their creative work is protected and cannot be used without the proper permission. Faculty members are concerned with students' misinformation about copyright. Educators are concerned about the ease in which students can access information for their personal use without even thinking about the ethical ramifications. The biggest struggle to overcome with students is that everything on the internet is free. Also, faculty are already overwhelmed with teaching classes and cannot adequately address all copyright issues. If there were a core understanding of copyright compliance, then teachers could focus on the content and what they are teaching rather than explaining how to obtain permission to use a publication or a video. Questions to consider. What do students know about copyright compliance and how should the Education Institute handle this sensitive topic? Would a copyright education course help students in distance education? And now, to answer these questions, I am pleased to introduce Dr. Donna Ferrello.